Hello everyone, I am Subham Raj from VCAQ 3rd Sem. I will be discussing about how interface implement abstraction and the multiple inheritance in Java. We know that the interface is a blueprint of a class, and it has a static static concept and an abstract method, and interface are declared by using interface keyword. So, how interface achieve abstraction in Java? Interface enable abstraction by providing the higher level view of functionality without exposing implementation detail. They allow classes to focus on what need to be done and how it's to be done. Multiple inheritance in Java. Actually, Java does not support the multiple inheritance in class. However, it can be achieved through the use of interface. But a class can implement one or more interface, but it can only extend one classes. A class can implement one or more interface in Java. You can create interface first for each of the base classes that you want to class to inherit. Then you can implement all of the interface in your classes. This will give class to access the method that are defined in the interface. I will discuss implementing multiple inheritance with interface in Java. First we define the interface by using the interface keyword and the interface name. And in this we have a one method, that is method 1, and this method is an empty method. And the second interface is interface 2, which is method 2, and this is also an empty method. And the second step will be implementing multiple inheritance in class. We have to implement these two interface in this class by the using implement keyword and providing the class name and implementing the keyword. And this we will override this by giving the method name, first method 1 and the second method 2. And then we will at the last we will create the object in the main classes. And I will show you the code. This is the code with multiple inheritance. First, we created the interface of animal interface, and the second one is the vehicle interface. In this, there is a two method, that is eat and a drive. In eat, it is an empty method, and the second is drive, which is also empty method. And we created a class and implementing animal and a vehicle. In this, in eat method we displaying the animal is eating, and in the second drive method we displaying the vehicle is being driven. And then we created for object to display the method, that is main method. In this class multiple inheritance 2. We created first object here, animal vehicle, that is animal name, which is the name of the object, and the second in this we declare the method of the animal vehicle dot eat, which is the method, and this will show you the here is the output of the which we created in the first. Which we are in class we displaying the animal is eating, which we created in object and displaying here. Thank you everyone.